First up, we got the fixed shower head. Now, this is the kind of head you think you have a control over until it decides to spray you in the face and ruin your hair just when you're trying to look like a Pinterest model. Fixed, more like fixed on torturing you with a random water pressure. Seriously, this is the don't move type. It stays put, you stay put, and just like your shower is giving you a silent treatment for not cleaning the bathroom. Then we got the handheld shower head. You can just rip it off the wall and pretend you're in an action movie, spraying everything in your path. It's just like playing Call of Duty, except it's you and your soap. Great for cleaning or for pretending you're washing your dog in the shower. Yes, we know what you're up to.